This is a video demonstration of the Somfy magnetic charging cable, part number 9028560 and 9028562. 9028562 is the adapter cable that connects to the motor, and the 9028560 is the semi-rigid charging cable that gets connected to your charger. This port here will get connected to your charger, and this is the magnetic version that attaches to the magnetic side of the adapter cable. For demonstration purposes, I've just pulled out a Somfy R28 motor. The motors that this cable is attached compatible with will have this 3-pin connector. Hopefully you can see that. And for demonstration purposes, I've orientated the motor so the charging port is at the back, reset button is at the bottom. This way you make sure you have your program button accessible. It is recommended to have the cable secured. I've done that with a twist tie. You can do it through one of the holes in the bracket, or you can attach a twist tie to a screw that might be holding your bracket up. This prevents you from pulling on the actual connection here and provides strain relief, so this won't die on you. So I'm just going to have that set up there. And this is semi-rigid cable. You can uncoil this. Uncoil that cable so it acts as a wand. And you just come in, and you can see that it attaches nice and neatly. And a slight pull away, and it'll detach. Let's see if I can get that up in a closer version.